Do you suffer from chronic pain, stiffness, or limited movement? You're not alone, and no, you're not broken. You've just been looking for answers in the wrong places. Most people believe pain is just something they have to live with, or that only surgery or painkillers can fix it. But the truth is, chronic pain often persists because the root cause is misunderstood. What if your pain isn't coming from your joints or your nerves, but from your muscles? Muscle spasms and chronic tension are often the silent culprits. When your muscles get overworked or stressed, they contract hard. This creates tight, painful knots that block circulation, limit movement, and send pain shooting through your body. It's not random. These spasms usually come from things like poor posture, repetitive motions, or even emotional stress. And over time, it becomes a vicious cycle. Pain causes tension. Tension causes more pain. That's where holistic muscle rehabilitation, or HMR, comes in. This isn't just another massage. It's a hands-on method that targets the root cause of your pain: dysfunctional, overworked muscle fibers. Using strategic angles, pressure, and direction, HMR releases the tension that's been holding your body hostage, restoring balance, increasing blood flow, and allowing your body to heal itself naturally. Your body was designed to move, to feel strong, flexible, and free. You don't have to live in pain. You don't have to settle for less than full freedom. With the HMR method, you can break the cycle and finally start feeling like yourself again.